How to buy USDT on BitUnix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to click on buy crypto over here on the top left. We could choose between P2P trading or third party. If you click on P2P trading, we should be able to purchase USDT, as you can see, directly available over here. And you can simply enter how much you want to pay or purchase. So let's say $100. And you will be able to see here merchant available for you. You can also do third party. And over here, it will automatically select USDT for you as a value that you will receive or crypto that you will receive. Then simply enter how much you're willing to pay. And then you will be able to receive or see how much USDT you will be able to receive. And then you could even select the payment method that you want. You could go with card, bank, or whatever platform you want to use. And then you could select here your provider that would handle your transaction. After that, simply click on buy and you should be able to get your USDT. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.